We're on location up in the attic of a furnace. It it wasn't starting, and I will tell you why, Billbox. When a furnace doesn't start like this, it could be, many things, but you always look for the simplest things first, because it's always that. So my box looks. This one has a hot surface igniter, or an HSI. Some of them have uh, a spark ignition. This one doesn't. This one has a hot surface igniter, which is this thing. As you can look close, I'll show you. Let's see. Let me put my phone right there. This electricity flows through this coil here. See, and right here it burnt out, so it's stopping, and it won't get red. So this is the issue on this one. Is this another issue? A possible issue, but this is the issue. But this one is the flame sensor, which is right up here, which is right there. I'm gonna take that out too. So let me take that out for you, show you what I'm talking about. Hold on, Billbox. Gotta get my tool. I bought this at the dollar store and it came out very handy. I mean, they don't have to bring up every kind of screwdriver up here. So, I'm gonna take this out, and I'll show you this too. Billbox, why can't things just be simple? Doesn't want to come out. Hold on, Billbox. We're having technical difficulties here. I need a smaller one, I think. Billbox, what the fuck? No, see, Billbox, now I'm getting mad. 'Cause I thought I could. This one won't even go into there. Wait, yes it will. Maybe I was just doing it wrong. Hold on, Billbox. We're getting it. We're almost there. Okay, Billbox, we got it. It's coming out now. Very slowly. Okay, Billbox, it's out. Sometimes it could be this one too, Billbox. Let me show you why. Okay, this is the flame sensor. Sometimes stuff gets on here and the flame won't sense it. So that's when you take the sandpaper, which I brought up here, right here, and all you do is you just sand it off. Pretty simple, Billbox. You just make it shiny again, so the flame can sense it. But this wasn't that bad, Billbox. It's the other thing that's broken. So, yeah, this is Mike Box working on a furnace and giving you some knowledge. So in case you ever have to, if you have this in your house and if it looks like that, this is your problem. All right, Billbox, I'll catch you later.